Unbox with me this unreleased clipper by Supreme Trimmers.
Family, prestige family, thank you guys for tapping in. We're gonna see what Supreme Trimmers sent us over here. Make sure you guys tell me if it's a win or an L, and if you guys would want it. Let's see what they gave us. Let's see what they sent us in here. Hey, look at this. Unreleased, the gimmick. Damn. Look at this baby boy right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, this looks really nice. I like it. I like it. I love it. Look at this. It looks really similar to the T-Shaper Recharge right here. Oh yeah, this is fire. Approved. Which one do you guys think look better though? Do you guys like the white or the black? They're both fire though. Fire. This sounds sexy, you know, it sounds really nice, powerful. They sound just about the same.